Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a run with the iRobot Roomba 960. We will be running it in this garage to see if we can pick up all the rice, and let's get it started. Stay tuned till the end, and I'll let you know if it gives me any errors or when it is done. See ya! Alright guys, it is done. Let's check out the job it did. It did a very good job, except that its side brush flicked a lot of rice out of the way. Let's check out its dustpan. Yep, definitely did a good job. Alright guys, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.